Hi peeps, welcome to my channel. It's me Pixie. Today I am so excited, cause it is my first video which is gonna be so much fun. So without any delay let's get started. Are you tired of doom scrolling? Your screen time is looking more impressive than your exam marks? Don't worry me, as your big sis I will be sharing with you 5 hobbies which you can try without being the victim of doom scrolling. And the more exciting part is for each hobby. I will also tell you some awesome apps and YouTube channels to get started immediately. First one is painting. This is one of the most creative hobby you can try. I am an artist myself. It is one of my most favorite hobby. You just need paint, pencils and paper. For recommendations you can check out these channels: Farjana Drawing Academy, Draw So Cute and The Art Sherpa. Second interesting hobby is crafting. This is my most favorite hobby cause you can create masterpieces from waste very easily. For example, from waste bottle you can create this beautiful flower vase. The channels I recommend are Yasmin the Art Person, Layla Tavas. The one and only app I recommend is Pinterest. Another best hobby is reading books. This hobby is so interesting, and reading books lets you travel the world for free. It will help you boost your knowledge as well. Here are some apps you can check out: Kindle, Goodreads, Storygraphs. And some of my personal favorite books are Harry Potter, The Da Vinci Code and The Girl with the Dragon Tattoos. Fourth hobby you can try instead of scrolling is pottery. You can literally create different clay pots, cups and decorate them, which is so cool, just like this. For inspo you can check out my favorite app, one and only Pinterest. Cause it is one of the most pookiest app. Now comes one of the most healthiest habit of all time, which is working out. You can also try yoga, Pilates and any kind of sports. And you can also go for walk and run, which work as well. For the workouts there are plenty of YouTube channels I personally follow, which are Emmy Wong, Chloe Ting and Move with Nicole for Pilates specifically. That's it for today. Thank you so much for today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe this video. Because of you guys, I feel so much motivated to make these kind of videos. Bye bye guys.